What it do, guys? Manjoume here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Sony WH-CH700N wireless noise cancelling stereo headset. Taking a look at the front, we see that it does use the Google Assistant, NFC, Bluetooth, of course, wirelessly. It has 35 hours of battery, almost a day and a half of continuous use. That's pretty rad. HD voice for calling. Quick charging, which is also pretty cool because you can quick charge it back to that 35-hour mark. Pretty good. And as well as an app that I'm sure you're able to tweak certain settings. Here we have a sticker. It's wireless and has noise cancelling technology. And this is the black model. Looking at the side, pretty plain. Other side, pretty plain. So looking at the last side here, we have quite a bit going on. So we see the unit itself. Some of the buttons on the side, and kind of another profile shot. So, what does it say here? Choose from 4 listening styles, including wireless and noise cancelling. Customize the surround effect and equalizer function with the Sony Headphones Connect app. Then, also that in a few other languages. So, let's take a look at the different modes. Mode 1 includes Bluetooth digital noise cancelling. Wireless Bluetooth plus digital noise cancelling. It's pretty cool and makes a lot of sense. Mode 2 is just the wireless Bluetooth, and that's it. Mode 3 includes just the noise cancelling headphones. That's pretty cool. And of course, Mode 4 is just ordinary headphones, which I assume would just be a 3.5mm jack connection. The app is the Headphones Connect app. You can scan that QR code or just get it on Google Play and the App Store. Looking right here, we have hands-free calling with HD voice. Quick charge, 10-minute charge, play up to 60 minutes. 35 hours of music playback time. That's pretty good. Voice assistant function, compatible with the Google app and Siri. So you can actually use it with Siri as well as the Google Assistant. Headphone cable, pretty decent, pretty good, and the micro USB. I don't like that it uses micro USB instead of USB Type-C, but it's not like I'm really at a deficit on those cables anyway. I just kind of wish they'd move into the future. So, take a look here. Wow, that you have to open so much and like open up flaps and set stuff aside. It's kind of a bit much, but here's the inner box, very plain. Oh wait, we have something sticking out. This is probably on purpose to download the Headphones Connect application. Pretty easy to find. Oh, but the side is what opens. Oh, that is not bad. Looks like there's not too much in the box, and there's actually some hair. I just opened this, so this is brand new seal, so that's some kind of fiber thread. I don't know what to do with that is. But here are the headphones. You know what? I got these primarily because I wanted a set that had a little more ear coverage rather than the smaller ones I currently have. These will go around my ears, and they look like they're going to be really comfortable, especially because you're going to be able to use them for so long. And we have NFC noise cancelling, most likely. We have the input for the 3.5mm jack. We have the charging cable. We have the power button. I like that it's kind of by itself and very distinct from anything else here. You really do need, when it comes to these kinds of headsets, that every button feels different and that it's easy to access because you're not going to be able to look at it when it's on your head. So knowing that the power button, since this is left, this is right, knowing that it's kind of behind your left ear, okay, that's going to be not too bad. And then having the noise cancelling kind of being aside and being separate is very important, as well as the playback devices, and this is pretty good. And you can press it in to answer calls and play. Let's see what else we have here. Volume. You see that little notch there, so you know where the plus is, and then you go the opposite end for minus. Pretty cool. And where is? Oh, you see the kind of logo stuff there. Yeah. Here's where you connect the NFC, and this all looks really promising. So let's set that aside. Although that is the main bit here. This coming out, and I kind of like the way they position that, as well as seeing Headphone Connect. Let's see. Oh, this must be how it connects to kind of the Google Assistant. You press it, this, press that. Okay, that must be click, click, long click, or just a long click or something. It's got to be something to do with that. Maybe just a long click of the play button activates the assistant, which it'll then listen to you and then do whatever you search. So, but you do need the Headphone Connect app, so you can't just do it by itself. What else is in here? It looks like there is some stuff behind here, and yeah, there is some stuff for sure. Not too much more, because I mean these are headphones, and aside from the headphones, what else do you have? Well, for one, we have some cables, one of which is the 3.5mm jack, and I gotta say this cable doesn't look especially strong, although I'm sure it's actually resistant to kind of tangling, so although it doesn't feel super strong, I'm sure it's gonna be pretty worry-free. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's telling us how to insert it. Okay, so the way you insert it into the device is this one rather than this one, and I'm sure there's a reason. Is there a physical difference? You know, I can't really tell that there is a physical difference why you would do one side over the other, aside from the fact that I know with some of my other headsets that it just wouldn't fit. Although this one would come straight out, so it's not as big of a deal, but there were some where it would only fit going in one direction. So really cool to have, and the size of the cable doesn't seem too long, but as long as you have wireless, it shouldn't be the biggest of deals. Here's the USB cable, not super long, but when you're charging it, you're probably not using it, so as long as it reaches whatever you need to charge, you'll be fine, or just use something you already have. If you have a Kindle device, or pretty much any other smartphone other than USB Type-C, you'll be able to charge it with that. Or Apple, I guess. Now, let's take a look at the rest of this paperwork. First thing we have here is that you can connect it with Bluetooth very simply using Android. You have the Google Assistant, and Apple, you have to download it. Oh, that's right, because it would be built into Android. And then, okay, so that's pretty interesting how they set that up. Pretty cool. Setting that aside, we have the limited warranty, kind of what you expect, and what looks like some kind of manual. Oh, this is going to be a big one, isn't it? Let me see if I can take some of it out. Okay. Let's see. One, you're going to want to charge that bad boy. This is a start guide, power button, cable, music. See if I can. Yeah, that's probably good. You're going to charge it from 0 to full. Left and right, you know where they are. Where to charge it, hook it up to a wall, and then you can see when it is dying, and it should take about 7 hours to get to a full charge. It will be blinking red. And then you disconnect it. Number 2, connecting it to Bluetooth. You hold the button, the power button that is, for 7 seconds. It will then flash like any other Bluetooth device from red to black. From blue to red and flash. Then different ways to then connect it, but most people probably know how to connect a Bluetooth device. Now you have it on, you adjust it to your liking, you use the app, and that is pretty much it. There's not too much going on. Where this shines is probably the application and the noise canceling. Now it looks like to turn it off, you just hit the button for about 2 seconds, then turn it on the same way. To answer a call, when you're getting a call, you press the play/answer button. And of course the mics are on the sides there so they can pick up what you're saying. So pretty decent. Noise canceling, you turn that thing on, and then, you know what, it should cancel out some of the noise from the outside world. Alternatively, and to connect it to your device or computer, you just use your 3.5mm jack the way that it shows. And Android to do NFC, very cool, very interesting. Here is the reference guide for the device. Shouldn't give us much more than what we already see, and is probably just the same thing but at more detail. Yeah, I can't imagine there's too much more going on here that we haven't already seen elsewhere. Yeah, honestly, it gives us compatible Apple products and some charging information, but otherwise the other thing is a bit more useful because it actually shows you what to do and how to set things up. That's really important getting into a new device. Well guys, that's it for my unboxing of the Sony WH-CH700N wireless noise cancelling stereo headset. If you want to stay up to date on my videos and live streams on both YouTube and Twitch, check out the links in the description below, like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining. That's all for now guys. Manjoume out.